Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to fix Google account too many failed attempts. If you're trying to recover your specific email, what I can recommend first if you have a too many failed attempts error is to wait a few minutes. And then after that, what you need to do is to open your incognito web browser and then log in onto your specific email. Now, when you're done adding or signing in into your email account, you can now recover it by using a specific phone number or email to recover it. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is to go on to the email and search on email recovery account. From here, select here onto the first official image or official site. And what you can do is to sign in and just simply follow the specific prompt enabled for you to recover your account. And then when you're done, you'll now be able to change your password and change the recovery onto your account. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.